Today we're going to install Pilot Automotive Special Edition seat covers. Seat covers provide the biggest visual impact on your vehicle's interior presentation. But what makes these seat covers so special is they are embellished with Swarovski crystals, providing additional eye candy to that visual impact. Special edition seat covers by Pilot are sure to put a smile on your face and a gleam in your eye under sunlight, moonlight, or street light. The set comes with 3 pieces, covering the seat bottom, seat back, and headrest. First, we'll install the bottom seat cover. Tuck the back flap between where the seat bottom and seat back meet. Next, pull the sides and front over and around the cushion and tuck into the seat frame, or if there is no frame, pull the attachment straps around and under the seat and anchor out of the way of moving and sliding parts. Repeat for the 2 connector straps in the back. For the back seat cover, first remove the headrest and slide the cover over the back, keeping the seams on the cover facing forward. Tuck the flap through the space between the seat bottom and seat back. From behind the seat, secure the 2 attachment straps in the back. Finally, pull the top cover over the headrest and align the seams to center for the final presentation. Here's to many safe, comfortable, and enjoyable miles.